Kampuni y'Abachina eya Greenworld International Limited bakwatanise na government ya Uganda babandize no kurambura amabagiro mu rembo rwa Mbarara hamwe na Sango muri Kiruhura barukebero bwinji bw'ebintu nkamasha efa eshagama amahembe nebindi ebarabe no bakora isoko ry'orwezo. Aba babiri bembirwe country manager wa Greenworld mu Uganda Isaac Ren Jean Feng kandi bakire no Mbarara byento muzafamu zitari zimwe na zumwe na mnonge za government nkasanga Field Station hamwe na Nshara Ranch ezinente nyamwinjo kureba bwinji bw'amashagu barabe no bakoresa.
We have been to different slaughterhouses, different animal kraals to know more information about the cow dung that we really need so much to establish our production company here in Uganda.
Kuba fertilizers zizi zitweniza urwo mahanga gahero atoshanga ngo muhinji yaza ku accessinga fertilizer najigure sente nyinji konka abo kugira ngo company government ya Uganda na eri supporting ya China bino mukago murungi munonga niho rukurebera ngo twaza kwombeka factory mu Uganda.
Okurugera hari manager w'ikitongore cyo mu Uganda bari umukora cyone cyo kubasiko kureba ngo batandika eikorero muri Mbarara. Rero fertilizer bwati barukora China babase kugikorera mu Uganda.
In here, first when we have our factory, we can import more people. Yeah, we can give more people more works. It's like because before we just do training in here, so we also wanted to bring more works to Uganda because we love Ugandans. And then is because when we bring the factory in here, so people they not only can get a job, so the organic fertilizer price can reduce a lot.
Aba batayire n'abahinji b'omwani abaramuta sisi rwa Burindor or MP w'Ibanda municipality oyine acres bishatu z'omwani hamwe na Godon Umutima oyine acres bishatu nkaganibiro z'omwani mu district ya Mbarara abarukoreso rwezo rwabo bwa hati okureba nk'uko misiri yaberi
ndi takatanje ukikose mwaka gwitu kanu guburwa mu kintu cyango abo ko mwinji kanu gutukura amoya ogundo gw'orwezo konka kutwaja prayinjire ahabwo ubuhabuzi bwa manager w'Mbarara umwami Bruno omwana gwiturebere gwabonera mnongo wirobo gwagiramo yamarungi gakwiragura kandi gwine na vigorous growth ningasho okukikururo okorajo bajo.
Abahinji n'abembezi bina masukongo mbwire butaro bwa hare omutindo gw'omwani gwo kugumana gweyongera obwinji nda Aidan Bataringaya.